Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a turkey tail fan board updated. Gather a clean mounting board, turkey tail feathers, glue, screws, and a template for spacing. Start by arranging feathers in overlapping rows, secure the center with glue, then reinforce with screws through the base. Sand and stain the board for a polished finish, attach a hanger for display, and wear gloves and eye protection, and measure feather placement at 3.5 inches for consistent spacing. Start by choosing quality turkey tail feathers, a hardwood board, wood glue, 1-inch screws, and a template for guidance. Trim feather quills as needed and test fit rows before gluing. Apply an even bead of glue, press feathers in place, and let dry under light weight. Pre-drill screw holes to avoid splitting, then finish with stain or sealant to protect feathers and wood. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep pets away from glue fumes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more projects. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading pattern PDFs and design references anywhere, with a crisp screen and long battery life. I love using it to keep reference photos and templates at hand while I build. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Lay out your final feather pattern and mark center lines on the board. Glue and clamp each row, then add 1-inch screws through the base for stability. Fill gaps with smaller feathers or decorative trim, sand edges lightly, and apply 2 coats of sealant for durability. Attach D-ring hangers or a French cleat for secure wall mounting. Check that the fan sits level, and consider adding a backing fabric to protect feathers and improve appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.